Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it wasn't obvious already, I'm gonna be getting new rims today. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase Jimmy's GTs today. Sorry if I sound so weird. I have my bottom retainers on and they suck. Jimmy's also gonna be installing my downpipe, my catted downpipe. We have the PRL catted downpipe. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day today. It's also gonna be a sad day today because Jimmy is actually parting out. He is actually getting rid of his Type R, but he is also getting another car, a way better, faster car, but I can't disclose that just yet. So when he gets his new car, I'll probably film it and you'll see what it is. So it's 7:12 right now, well 7:13, and he's not awake yet, I don't think. So I'm about to go ahead and wake him up. Alright guys, so we're starting to do the, what are we doing, downpipe install?
Downpipe.
Alright. So what do you do first, Jimmy?
So you do the engine cover, then we're going to remove the inlet pipe and the intake. So remove these two bolts, and we're going to remove this black bracket bolt. I already removed it, but it'll be these two black bolts. You can see them. Just follow right here. One here, and one below. Down here. Now we'll remove the inlet pipe, and it's two more bolts, 12 millimeters. And then I remove the intake, 8 millimeter clamps. And this one too.
Alright, so intake is removed.
Intake and the inlet came out.
And it came out. And that's it so far.
Yep, so now we're gonna remove the heat shield and then get to the bolts. We'll remove the heat shield, 1, 2, 3, and then remove the O2 sensor, and then we'll be at the studs and the bolts.
Alright, so while he's doing that, let's go ahead and take a look at the PRL catted downpipe. Yeah, alright. Dude, I was like, man, I'm not gonna install this ever. I might just end up just selling it.
Oh, downpipe?
Yeah, I go like, fuck.
And I was like, yo, you got an OEM downpipe? Damn.
So I guess it's a good thing that Jimmy's partying out, because if he wasn't, then I would still be stock downpipe.
Well, he's also running remix, right? Oh shoot, you're gonna have the experience. Nice, cat with remix.
Yeah, but no front pipe though.
It won't be too bad.
It won't be too bad? Oh, okay.
Sound wise, fine.
Got this. Comes with a sticker and nonsense. Alright, so this is it right here. Yeah. So Jimmy, I don't know if you know, but do you know the horsepower difference if you get, compared to catted and
versus catless?
Yeah, versus catless.
Like 1 or 2 or none. Not really much of a difference. But I think usually they say like a bigger turbo, catless preferred.
Gotcha.
Okay, so all 3 heat shield bolts are off. And now we need to move the O2 sensor with the O2 sensor socket. This one, lift up, pull down, unplug. Okay. There we go. Yep, primary one. Just leave this here.
And there she is.
There she is. Alright, now DD blaster. And then as the usual, need some steam afterwards, but she's.
Alright. Successfully.
Oh, wait, look.
What's up?
These are you gonna put the Advent GTs on now?
So what?
Are you gonna put the Advent GTs on now?
Should we?
Alright guys, let's take a look at the new wheel. Yeah, we're gonna be going on the car. Sadly, I'm gonna be running these track tires during the winter, until I get new tires, and then I'll slap them on. In the meantime, I'm running these. Fitment is gonna be weird because I'm still on stock springs.
So we're removing the bottom brackets for the downpipe. This one here, these two brackets, two 14mm nuts. And then I'll remove the 3 nuts for the front pipe and downpipe.
Are you planning on keeping stock?
For now, because I want to see what's safe to do out there.
I told him I'm gonna give him a month to like put something in, dude. Alright, shoot, we got it out finally.
Yes.
Oh, Jimmy got it out.
Yes, let's not drop this on your car. So we'll be transferring over this heat shield right here.
Oh, okay.
It's the PRL one.
Heck yeah. So comparing the two, the PRL CATTED, and we have the stock downpipe. Nice. Okay, we got the shield on.
There you go. Nice hand tight. We're good.
Heck yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
Holding it like a baby.
Hey, were you able to sell the Titans?
No, not yet. Well, no, because John was gonna buy them, but then I gave him the same.
GTs though.
I was like, nah, I guess GTs.
Oh, you don't, no turbo blanket, right?
No turbo blanket. I wish.
It's not bad either because we're still putting the OEM shield back on, so.
Yeah.
Anti-seize, yep, anti-seize, just in case, you know, if you ever decide to remove anything, you know.
So it'll be easier.
Easier. Like my car, once I do my downpipe, I have my peace of mind that it'll be easy, hopefully.
Yeah.
Praying. Then we'll torque spec it, 35 foot-pounds.
Not just the car. And not just the car. Be like, come here.
Alright, go, come here. Come on. Yeah. Whoa.
He made it to the YouTube video. Alright, bro.
We got the Type R. We got the Type R dog here.
Hey, Tofu made it to the YouTube. Tofu's about to be famous.
They have his own Instagram.
They're gonna be like, forget Jimmy, show us Tofu.
How do you feel about Jimmy parting out?
Bro, I told him so many times that I'm sad, but you know, I can't change his mind. You know, he's doing it. He's going for it.
Money's already been sent. Sold. Maybe I'll just be stocked for a while. I might though.
Yeah, right.
Just so that no one's mad at me.
Oh my god.
Jimmy told me to do it. It's Jimmy.
He's unwrapping his present for Christmas.
Yeah. That's funny as hell.
Dog, it's like gold. Like you're unwrapping gold right now.
Yeah. Facts. It's carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Yo. Is it real? No, yeah.
Is it real? This thing fake. So I know. Yeah, it's kind of crazy how this is literally hidden behind this.
I know, right?
Just like the real color is hidden as well.
Okay, so downpipe is on?
Yep, now I'm just putting everything back in reverse. There you go.
That's pretty much it, guys.
Yep.
Yeah.
Motor sensors are good. That's it, yeah.
Yeah, so put everything in reverse and that's how you install the downpipe.
Yeah. Oh, that's where the TV is.
Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys like the rims. It's actually still in stock height, so please bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and lower the car after the winter time. I need to get new tires on them, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is the new setup. Hope you like the sound clip I did for the remix and CATTED, PRL CATTED. Yeah, anyway, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Comment down below, like the video if it's good or if you like it, and yeah, see you next time. Thanks.